Hello my friends, welcome to Home and Garden. So today I am going to actually clean the parakeet's bird cage, and I do clean this for at least once a month. And also I am going to add to clean also the water fountain, so that the wild birds also can enjoy to drink on the water fountain. So here's my beautiful parakeet, and I usually like keep them of course inside the house, and so they are just standing by and now they're flying because I am about to clean their cage. So they will have a happy and clean cage to stay. And I know one is missing, which is the yellow one. Here you are. Okay, my friends, so I finally finished cleaning this area. This is actually in my backyard that located close to the patio on the backyard. So here I cleaned the water fountain, and we have that for like a couple years now. And then I just rearranged this and clean all these pots. And I actually have this hostas in here, and they're actually blooming now. And this other one is the Canna Lily, and they have the striped foliage, and they actually have the yellow flowers. And here is the flower of the variegated hostas. So this is just a combination of perennial plants, and I have the carnation here, and that's actually a beautiful bloom. So they can pack every year. And then I have the succulents with the hostas. And here I have a decoration of this small ceramic decor that I have in here. And I have actually these pots that's just like a shell. It's a ceramic shell that I just put some succulents in it. And actually this one, the metal holder and the ceramic pot. And then I have this owl, and this is actually from an indoor succulent, but then they don't survive indoors, so I just use them here and add this different succulents that can survive in either hot and cold weather, and they're actually so cute, look like their hair. And more pots in there, and ceramic decoration that I have different kind of actually with the leaves, and then the other side is more leaves and more leaves, and the ladybug. I like it. So I also have this roses in here. This is the hybrid rose, and I just trim deadhead them so they can give me more bloom like this one. This is a new shoot that I can see there's gonna be a few flowers on that, so I deadhead majority of this um, climbing rose, but you can still see all that beautiful bicolor hybrid tea rose. They are so beautiful, and they're also very scented. So again, this is what it looked like in this side. I have a combination of different pots that I added in here, and actually a lot of birds, wild birds, hummingbirds. I see some warbler, the red fins bird also. I also see some actually squirrels that drinking on this fountain, and I love to put a water fountain that really close to our house, so I can hear of course the natural sound of the water, flowing water. And I actually have one more on that side, and we just add this one early this year, and then this one is like a couple years now. So I just love to see a lot of creatures, birds, squirrels, even the crow actually drink on that fountain. And I love it when I can see them from inside my house and I see them drinking and enjoying it. So I just back up a little bit, and so you can see the view from like a little bit further from that fountain that I clean. Um, this is what they look like. So I have sitting on that side. I put it. I usually sit there. Me and my husband like sit there in the morning and drink coffee and enjoy the sound of the water fountain. And this is our view. And we really love to sit here and enjoy the nature. And this is another view. A lot of my hellebores and wood hyacinth are already done blooming. So I have this lily actually there that's about to bloom soon. And I have the Asiatic lily. It's really a tall one, and I really love the color combination of white and pink on that lily. So here again is the water fountain. I'm just giving you a different view on how you can enjoy the view looking at that fountain, and that's what it looked like.